I'm not used to cleaning cars in this heat, so just got to look at the view what we've got while doing this job. See, I could work in this rain every day of the week. No. Look at the shine on this now, guys. First of all, it's a bit different to Manchester. We're going to have to jet wash it down because you could probably cook an egg on this at the minute, so I don't want to put anything on it. We're going to do half and half just because of the weather. First of all, so see all the mud dripping down now, so it's looking like it's doing its job already. Get this dirty wheel ready for Anne to test it at the end. We've actually got to move super speed now, so let's go. Lying when you've not cleaned this, have you?
Nope.
Not lying at all. What are you saying? The challenge is on.
I've been setting up the dirt for 2 years for you.
2 years?
Yep.
Just how we like it. But if you can see, it's already doing its magic, so it probably will need 2 pre-washes before we go in on the contact wash. So we're actually going to have to go again. This bit has come out alright. Still a bit of mud. You got to remember this one drags boats to the sea, so we've still got a bit of dirt. Go again, then we're ready for the contact wash. And just come with me a sec. Look at the view what we've got while doing this job. Sunshine. Right, so round 3, we had to pre-wash it twice and now we're going to contact wash it. We're still just doing half the car. If you look at the sun, look at the sun camera girl, it's blazing, so we're going to treat it with the Bahama blue. Yeah, it's only right, we use the Bahama blue in the Caribbean, why not? Oh, she is dirty, isn't she? We've got that tropical rain coming through. Liquid sunshine on it, Anne. Probably going to have to get the step ladder out for the roof. Only small. Look at all the dirt coming out of that now. See, I could work in this rain every day of the week. No, that Manchester rain is the worst, honestly. Wow, could get used to this. What's that? I know. Step before we're going to put the protection on. The sun's giving us a helping hand drying it, so look at this straight away. But you can tell there's no protection whatsoever on this car, so we're going to show them. And we'll show you a little comparison of this half to that half of the car now it's been washed. And the reason reason behind doing it half and half is the products will stay in the car if they're left on for too long, and I'm not used to cleaning cars in this heat, so just got to take it a little bit easier. Got a few scratches on it, hasn't it?
Told you. That's why I've left it dirty, because it covered up all the blended in.
I'd love to polish this one. So now, this is the magic juice. We've got to be quick while it's warm. A little spray on. Oh, it's off. That'll help. What we're going to do is just rub in. Evaporating. This will give it an extra shine as well. Breaking a sweat now. Now we've applied the protection, this is what it's meant to look like. See it all beading off. Now the car's protected for at least 2 to 3 months from any road grime, road salts, hopefully sea salt. We'll contact Rowan and see how it is in a couple months. 100%. The perk to this is look how easy it is to dry now compared to it was before. One wipe. Look at the shine on this now, guys. I'm going to go over the wheels because we've got to just do little bits by bits. But the comparison to this, that's where we started, guys. Take that in. Two hours later, we're finally finished, and it's looking like a beast again. So we're going to get Rowan out, get his reaction.
Oh man, that's mad.
You happy?
It's a new truck.
I'm buzzing. Nice one for having us as well.
Good, man. Thanks for coming out, that looks absolutely insane.
It's had the full wash, we've put the protection on for you.
Nice.
It's all beading off. I'll have to show you now, one sec.
It literally does look like a different truck.
I'll show you now what this does.
It beads right off.
So now it's all protected from hopefully the sea salt, everything, all the shite off the roads, and it gives it that extra shine.
Nice.
But yeah, no, thank you for having us.
Thank
And,
you.
Maybe one day I can do a boat for you.
Do you do boats?
I can do.
Ah, okay, well there you go. I'll have to fly you back out in a few months and get the boats done as well.
That'll be an honour. No
It's on record.
See you on the next one. So yeah, it's a bit annoying because I actually forgot the tyre shine, but it is what it is, man. The car's shining. Look at where we are. So yeah, if you're watching this and you're in a country and you feel like getting me out, drop a comment in the comments where you're watching from and let's make it happen. But look at that. From where we started. The big Chevy. British Virgin Islands. It's been a pleasure. And look at that. From Manchester to the Caribbean, we made it, guys. Drop a subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed the video. And I'll see you on the next one.
Good start.
Good stuff. Break the jet wash.
Just go on the bloopers.
Yeah, this is behind the scenes now.